It's time once again for The Law on You, featuring the area's premier attorneys. Today we have Ed Ciarimboli with us and Harry McGrath. Great to have you both.
You ready for the holidays?
I am so ready.
Done shopping? Everything's good?
Nope, still a lot last minute things to get to, definitely. And I'm sure you guys are very busy this time of year with a lot of calls.
Definitely.
Let's take a look at the question today from our viewer in McAdoo. This is Walt. He says, I work for a trucking company and they list me as an independent contractor, but I am not allowed to work for anybody else and they control my hours. Is this legal?
It is not legal, and we are actually seeing a ton of this, and there's really been an uptick in this, especially in the trucking industry, where you have companies who are misclassifying workers. And so what's happening is they're saying you're an independent contractor, and that eliminates your ability to have workers' compensation. It eliminates 401k contributions. It eliminates Social Security contributions from the employer. It's really, you know, there are a lot of technical requirements, but we are seeing this more and more in the trucking industry, where they're saying these guys are independent contractors, not available for these employee benefits. And and that's not true. So they're misclassifying you. There are a number of litigation going on across the country. We're involved in one, right now. So this is definitely something you need to pick up the phone and give us a call immediately on.
Absolutely. And based on the facts that you've given us so far, it seems like they're still exhibiting a lot of control over what you do, over how you do your job, over the fact that you're not able to work elsewhere. All of those factors go against their argument that you're an independent contractor. The more that this company exerts control over you, the less that's going to stand up in court. So you certainly have, a situation here that's unfair, and the reason that they're doing it, like Eddie said, is because they want to save money. They don't want you part of the 401k. They don't want to provide you insurance. So it's certainly something you need to be cognizant of and make sure you get right on top of it.
And the biggest thing is overtime. And that's what we see all the time, that these companies do not want to pay the overtime provisions, and that's why they're making them work more than 40 hours, and they're entitled to overtime, but then they don't want to pay for it.
All right, great advice. And if you have a question, you can always call the guys or find them online. And don't forget, results matter with attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Harry McGrath. You can go to pahomepage.com and the Law on You hotline. Just 2 ways to get your question on the show.